leave. Justin, you stay where you are. I guess that Justin and Alex will just have to face this monster on their own.
Justin?
You mean them all.
Oh, I thought. What do you want now? Where's Donnie?
Yeah, I was just getting to that. Did you hear about the alien?
What alien? There's a
Not
lot of aliens
alien,
in
but
this universe.
the new bone monster I've been working on. It'll be your second opponent.
But
you're gonna have to use laser guns, so choose which weapon you want. Wise choice. What just happened?
the cool thing about this pistol, though, it's not like a regular pistol. You just go bam, bam. It's like.
I can hear you. I saw it. I can hear you breathing. Where the hell are you?
Is it easy underneath this rock? Or well, I'm just gonna. Die!
I didn't even break our bone from the inside.
Brain! You have stupid brains!
Does he even have a brain? No, apparently.
I think so!
Go away, go away.
How do you get the sword and where is Donnie?
Apparently so.
Die! Hey, there's a button here. Wait, there's a button here. You can turn this sword, I mean, you can turn this gun to like Star Wars. Like that? Like that's pretty popular.
Hands up. I have fast healing powers, apparently.
Oh!
Die.
You did something to my leg.
He's not alive anymore. Not for long.
Wait, I can't control myself. I can't control myself. Sorry. I can't control myself. Justin, watch out, I can't control myself. Monster alien did something.
Ah!
Watch out, run!
Monster!
I don't know, run!
Apparently not.
Watch out!
Some memory.
Watch out! You know your body's not just inside you, so watch out! Oh! Ah! Ow! Oh. Ah!
No, Justin's. No. No!
Ow! I'm still bleeding because I'm not like you with remorse inside me.
Get that away.
When you slash me, I still have that. I'm still bleeding. Is that? Don't break it.
I'm just getting the curse out of it.
All right, let me see it.
Well done, Alex. You've defeated my bone monster. Whatever you want to call it.
Yeah, he's really stupid.
That was only the second arena. I have plenty.
Where is he?
I think
What?
he's in there.
What? I see your hand. I think it's him. All right. Johnny, what are you doing in here?
Kind of went to sleep in here because I thought it would be safer.
You idiot! There's like this big alien monster thing. We could have used your help. Thanks a lot. Anyway.
That's it for this episode, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Make sure to subscribe
for more.
to Magneto Inc.
Yeah, so,
Eat your vegetables.
yep.
No, eat candy.